everybody, welcome back to my channel. Tim and I are heading to Ikea today because today I'm gonna say is the first moving vlog. So this isn't a renovation vlog, this is a moving vlog. This is kind of a big deal. So we're doing the obligatory trip to Ikea. I've got a list that my dad has given me of things that I probably won't have thought of that I will need in my first home, so that's extremely helpful. We're gonna go buy kitchen things, and we are also gonna buy some like cheaper Christmas decorations because I'm only gonna have my Christmas decorations up for like a few days because I'm gonna have to take, like, I'm literally gonna have them up for 4 days. So I'll invest in nicer ones next year, but I just need something to decorate the flat for Friendmas. Yeah, so we're going to Ikea, and I thought this would be a fun vlog to take you with us. It is Saturday, just before Christmas.
Sunday.
It's
Saturday.
not. It's Saturday, Mug.
It's Saturday.
Just before Christmas, so it's going to be heaving, and I'm absolutely dreading it, but what can you do? So anyway, yeah, we're gonna go and do some shopping. Are you excited?
Yes.
Are you going to get some meatballs?
Yeah.
Meatballs for Tim. Look at this lovely weather. This is nice. Ooh, Ikea, damn boy, you're looking fine. I need a mirror for above the fireplace, so we might find one of those, which would be good. There's a lot of green in here. Lots of candles and foliage. Let's keep going. We're in the final stage.
We need to get to location 14.
Did you take a picture of it?
Yeah.
Oh, well done.
Location 14, aisle 35.
I'm picking up I'm picking up some Christmassy bits. We're in the Christmas market section. I'm gonna make my living room the most Christmassy place on earth. It will be Santa's grotto, and there's nothing you can do about it. This way.
Yeah. Location.
Baby shark doo 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 doo, baby shark doo 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 doo, baby shark. They're playing it.
Are they? Can't hear. No, can't hear any music.
Okay. They were playing Baby Shark, and when I say they, it might have been a kid on a phone that I just started joining in. Mommy shark doo 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 doo. It's still raining. Look at this artsy lighting. We have just finished in Ikea. The total was nowhere near as much as I thought it was going to be, and one of the items was 50 quid, so the rest didn't come up to much at all.
It was mostly like kitchen stuff, which is pretty cheap anyway. Yeah,
I just bought like kitchen utensils, and that's literally it. I bought a little puff, and that's literally it. I wanted to buy Christmas decorations, but they didn't have anything festive. I'm a bit confused. I feel like we've missed them, just the whole section. Because I remember last year walking in, they had massive things of baubles. And I was like, I'll just get one of them and just cover the tree with that and just keep it really simple.
Maybe they were just at the very beginning.
We must have missed it, but it's okay. I'm gonna go home now and order everything. I think we got everything off of my dad's list, bar a couple of things. So I'm gonna go home now before I forget, order all of the stuff off of the list, and I'm also gonna order a rug because I feel like that's something that I really need, and also a mirror to go above the fireplace because I feel like once those things are there, the room feels a little bit less like empty because at the moment there's just a lot of wall space. Oh, careful, you don't know if this is okay. What a successful day. I bought my sofa earlier, which will be coming up in a video soon, and I'm not going to show you tonight because Tim and I are going to go home and watch the Strictly final. I either want Stacey or Joe to win. They're all very good though. I would be happy for all of them because I think they're all great, but obviously I have to be team Joe, and Stacey Dooley is an absolute dream, so one of them. So yeah, we're gonna go home and then I will show you what I got tomorrow when it's daylight and not like this and drenched by the rain. So yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Bye. We got someone special, a very special present. Jack, Mr. Jack, sit. Sit, good boy. Who's this? Is this your new friend? Ah, sit. Nicely. Nicely to your new friend. There you go. You can go massacre him like your pheasant. Oh, is it a new friend? Oh, are you happy? Oh, Jack. Come say thank you. Come here. Up. Come here. Wow. Oh, a new pal. That pig is not going to last long, is it?
It's gonna last a minute.
Yep. By the end of Strictly, he won't have an arm at least. Right. We're having pizza for dinner. Look at Tim's Christmas tree. Oh, yeah. Feeling festive. Morning everyone, hello. It's Sunday today, happy Sunday. I promised you that I would show you what I picked up in Ikea. So I'm gonna show you now. I was gonna take them over to the flat and show you there, but I've got quite a lot of work, like YouTube-y work that I need to do today. So I'm gonna focus on YouTube today, and then I'm taking a day off YouTube tomorrow, focusing on the flat. This is how I need to compartmentalize my brain, otherwise nothing will ever get done. So let me just show you quick what I got. Basically, I went and ordered my sofa yesterday, but that's not going to arrive for about 6 weeks. So I thought I'd have a sofa for Friendmas, and now I will not have a sofa for Friendmas, which is not ideal, but it's fine. But I've decided to like really embrace the bohemian vibe for Friendmas. So everyone's going to be on the floor with floor cushions, and it's going to be great. So the first thing I actually picked up was another floor cushion, just this like cream puff, which is in an airtight thing so it stays flat, but I'm not going to do it now because I need to take it to the flat, and it's better that it's compact. It's just like a knitted kind of creamy puff thing, Joe. Just another place for people to sit. What else did you get from Ikea? I picked up 3 fake hanging plants because I need some fake plants to go in my shower room because it won't be good for real plants. I got 2 mixing bowls, 2 white mixing bowls, because everyone needs to mix things. I got a baking tray for things that I need to cook to put in my oven. This is basics we're talking. This is the first shop for the flat of like things that I actually need, don't just really want. I picked up a black frame because I have a print that I need to frame, so I thought I'd pick up a cheap little black frame whatever I need framing in a minute. I got 3 cereal holders. I hate packets. I really hate opening a cupboard and being overwhelmed by like different logos and different packets. So I want my flat to be clear containerified so I can see what I need rather than like searching and rustling packets. I've just got them right in front of me so I know what cereal I want because I can see it. Boom. So I got 3 of these. I picked up a colander because I eat a lot of pasta and a lot of spaghetti, and I thought that this one was lovely. Isn't that so pretty? So I think that matches my kitchen perfectly, so I went for that one. I got a cheese grater. Sorry, if this isn't exciting for you then I'm really sorry, but you asked for it. I got a cheese grater which has the big size and the little size, and I love this because my dad's got one of these. You grate it, and then if you don't use it all, it stores for like a couple of days in the pot so that you don't waste non-used grated cheese, even though I will always use the grated cheese. But it's good because you can do a bit more and then you don't have to grate cheese the next day. That is the peak of laziness, I know, but here we are. We got some essentials. We got some pincers. We got, this is definitely a salad spoon, not a wooden spoon, but they didn't have a wooden spoon. Excuse me. They didn't have a wooden spoon in Ikea, so here we are. I got myself a whiskey poo, a potato masher. I got myself a bottle opener and obviously a bottle opener. Sorry, a corkscrew and a bottle opener. Essential. Tin opener, nice and exciting. Some of these really exciting packet closures, even though I say I don't want to have packets. If I have a packet of crisps or something and I don't finish it, or bread, I don't know. We got a spatula, a spoon, and then a ladle in a pack of 3. My dad is completely obsessed with these. These storage pots are amazing. So I got myself some because he was like, you need them. His ones have an orange lid, so I want those, so I think we're gonna swap. Ran out of memory there, didn't you? What else? This is Tim's. He didn't take it home. I got myself a regular cheese grater to put on the dinner table. I also picked up this tray. So just a lovely gold tray. The accent colour in my living room is gold. after all. So I thought for Friendmas, because we're going nice and like bohemian with everyone just sat on the floor, I thought big trays like this will be great for like food and drinks. Thought that was really nice actually, I love that. And finally I picked up 2 of these massive white pillar candles, 3 of the medium and then 3 of the small, because of my fireplace. I want to fill my fireplace with candles and just let them burn rather than lighting a fire. It wasn't as successful as I wanted because I wanted to get obviously loads of stuff for Friendmas, but I think I missed all the Christmas stuff. I think it was literally all gone. That is what I picked up in Ikea. I think in the new year Tim and I will do another big trip to Ikea, pick up everything I forgot to pick up this time, because this isn't as much stuff as I was expecting to buy, so I'll just be figuring out what I forgot like throughout Christmas, but that's okay. So yeah, thank you so much for watching my little Ikea vloggy haul thing. Moving vlogs will be commencing very soon. So yeah, thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!